Wake up. It's a beautiful day. Good morning. Have a cup of tea. I'm going to morning walk. Don't give up. It depends on you. I need some peppers. I would like some more coffee. All of them went there. I don't like any of them. Could I help you? Don't worry about it. He's about 30. They didn't tell me so. He could arrive any time. That was my mistake. Get it repaired. How did he get hurt? Don't be so excited. What's going on? Nothing new. That's not fair. What's wrong? How do I use this? I have something to send you. I have to finish this. Where are you from? You can like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.